Insulated metal panels were used in the erection of the structure. Apex Steel used our vacuum lifters to install the IMPs, and the guys at Apex had great things to say about their experience.
We were whipping them out in 4 minutes per panel. We did the wall and the roof in 2 weeks. That's a lot faster than what we normally do them.
They especially liked our panel master for roofing panels.
We used the Wood's Powr-Grip suction cups on the wall panels and roof panels, and they worked great compared to, we usually have to sling them, and they usually bend the sheets when we do it the old way. With the suction cups, we can just set them right where they need to be. It's so much faster and nice.
The cladding lifter was also employed and reduced the time spent flipping panels, a necessary step when preparing IMPs for installation.
The lifters actually worked really good on that. The hinge system basically, you could grab onto it and lift it up and just set them right down. It was smooth and it worked great for flipping them over.
It also reduced the amount of manpower required.
Flipping these 500-pound panels would be a 4-man job, and with the cladding lifter it was a 2-man job.
Apex Steel said they would recommend our vacuum lifters.
Compared to using slings, easily half the time, I would say, easily, without a doubt. It's so much less of a hassle with the suction cup than the slings, because with the slings you have to set it down and leave yourself space to get the slings out, and then you have to, because the slings bend the panel actually, so then you have to fix the bends, and then you have to slide them over by hand basically to get them to lock in. With the panel you can just set them down and let the crane go and you're there, you're in.
The crew also emphasized the value of our lifters.
The man hours we saved on this job, you know, being able to cut the crews down because of the ease of installation, I think that the Wood's Powr-Grip would have paid for itself in one job, easy.
The workers were asked if they would go back to the old system of using damaging bolts and straps.
Would I ever do this job again without a vacuum? I would, but I would prefer with the suction cup system. It's a lot easier. It was nice. It was a good job. It worked great.
IMP saved time and money in the erection of large steel structures, and our vacuum lifters provide added safety and increased productivity on the job, all the while saving you money.